Hey everybody, welcome back to the third part of this video, 13. So let me explain about 6 and 7. You know what I'm saying? 6, 7, kids you be hearing 6, 7, you know what I'm saying? It equals to 13. Okay. 13 is not the only thing you see because you also see 76ers, you know what I'm saying? 7, 6 equals 13. You also got 9 and 4, 4, or 9, you know what I'm saying? 49ers, 13. You know what I'm saying? And like I explained earlier with Stranger Things, episode 5, you know what I'm saying? Episode 5 and what? Season 5, episode 8, my bad, equals 13. So, all around equals 13. Now, certain movies, maybe the kids' movie, you know what I'm saying? You might see 12 plus 1 or 12 1, or you might see them combined together in 1221. You know what I'm saying? Combine it together, boom, 13. Or you might see 11 and 112, reverse it. You know what I'm saying? 112 still equals to 13. As you got here, it's reverse. It's weird when you look at it because math has become magical because it's like you can see the pattern. You know what I'm saying? What's so different between 11 and 2 and 1 and 12? It's reverse. But I'm getting ahead of myself. But everything in the middle center is equals 0, but also 13. Okay? So the reason why I bring this diagram is because if you split the clock up in three body problems, this is the three body problem. Now, the reason why I call it a three body problem because you can make three bodies out of the clock. So one is even and odd numbers. You got 3 and 9, that's an odd number, and 12 and 6 is the even number. I add all the numbers up, equals 30, and I subtract all the numbers and equal to -6. Combine those numbers, equals 24. On the clock, you got all odd numbers, 11, 7, 5, 1. X marks the spot. Okay, that's another body problem. Okay, add all the numbers up, you get 24. Subtract all the numbers, you get -2. Combine it together, 22. And then you got the other body problem, which is all even. 2, 4, 8, 10. All even. Another X. You know what I'm saying? So same process. You get it? I combine all of them together, equals to 66. So now with the three body problem like this, you know what I'm saying? Once again, the middle is 0, but also 13. I also did in the form of pyramids or triangles. You know what I'm saying? If you see like the clock formation, the middle is climbing up. You know what I'm saying? 2, 4, 8, all even, all odd, and both odd and even. You know what I'm saying? And you see it goes up 10, 11, 12. Remind you of the Pyramid of Giza, right? Yeah. So you're probably wondering, this is a lot of math, a lot of work, and a lot of number 13 is popping out of my mouth too much. But is a reason, and it's certain things that people don't tell you. Now, as you see the diagram, you know what I'm saying, with the markup of cube, I broke it down in three cubes. You know what I'm saying? Some of them are intermingle, you know what I'm saying, with the center point right here. So the middle is Earth, you know what I'm saying? The shadow world, spiritual world, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of similar to Stranger Things, you know what I'm saying? When they have the upside down world, this is an upside down world in the middle, you know what I'm saying? In the other world, beyond the world, or you can say the spiritual world. So I'm going to break it down, maybe make another video too, because in this diagram, as you see, I broke it down in different dimensions, okay? Now, in my other videos, if you look at my other videos, I broke down dimensions and how they works and how they operate, okay? Now, because how they operate, so I also use the clock method, of time. Understand this. Let me pause for a second, all right? Y'all not going to believe none of this because y'all don't physically see it. And not everything you physically see is not really real. And I'm talking to the people that understands me. Okay? There's a little bit of quantum physics, but at the same time, it counts. Okay? Just because you see an object in front of you doesn't mean that object have nothing inside. You know what I'm saying? So even though you're the body that operate in the 3D, okay, you also have something inside your mind that you call data. That's the second dimension, the realm that you cannot see but is in your thoughts. Okay, we put it in the black mirror, which is computer screen or phone, where we can see our thoughts that turn into data. Second dimension. The first dimension is shadow. The light shines from the 3D body to the ground, which does make the shadow, because your body have light and darkness. Okay? The light form is the spirit that's within you. That's the fourth dimension. Okay? The spiritual realm. Okay? And each one of them dimensions, you can move in certain directions. Now, I'm going to go and show you my other diagram because I merged all these dimensions into one singular form. So this is what I did when I broke it down in simpler form. You get what I'm saying? Well, not simpler form, but in merging form, merging it together. All right. So I'm gonna stop right here and talk a little bit. All right. This is what I'm explaining, y'all. All this is somewhat like magic. Okay. And at the same time, once again, you cannot see it. I just don't understand some people's mind because they believe in magicians and people that do all these things, but there's methods to things how that works, chemically or psychedelically or something like that, or manipulations. You know what I'm saying? The things that the people that we don't know who they are, which the government, whatever case may be, is doing it behind the scenes. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to make another part, which is probably gonna be part 4. But I want y'all to drop a comment. Tell me what y'all don't know. Let me help y'all out understand it. Because this knowledge is free for everyone. And yeah, because I'm doing it for free, I'm getting shadow banned. So drop a comment. Tell me what y'all don't understand. Tell me what y'all like, what y'all don't like. Let me know y'all real and not bots. Okay? Because I'm starting to see a lot of bots and they don't want me to connect with other people because I can make real change. So is that you? Let me know. Drop a comment.